Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
Yes, my people, see it there. Peer rain. From Saturday, me see Cripple, you know, people. Me not see him back in on to that Tuesday. Oh, me did end up seeing him way in the night. Somebody tell me say them see him Panda Avenue, yeah, right here so. Cause me say Panda Avenue I live. And me just drive, come and carry the food, come give him. But night day, me never see him. 2 times I go look for him and not see him. So me not see him Monday night after yesterday. But me pass him a while ago and me say, what? Me must say, what go on? So me just go where me and go and come back and me just run go buy him lunch. So me go give him it, you know. Give him a fat plate of pork, you know. The rest of them are going to burn out the pork, you know, but it's a fat plate of pork that Cripple are going to get, you know. Because they don't know what we say, you know. Stick to the words, you know. 1 month supply of food every day to the 1 month. And me don't know, it might just extend, me might just take it, but me just want to know, say, for this month, me make it my pint of duty. Fulfill my promise. Alright, so Cripple right down there up on the corner, sit down. Yeah. See him there. See me people. Me not see him. Be hide in my eye like the rain and wash him way.
Yeah.
The rain and wash your way. Alright. You want the water? Oh, you pull it. Where you say you're on a rasta? Alright, look where in your box. And tell me if you like when in your box and you drink some of your water. Cripple, you thirsty man. Come here, I forgot to buy one bigger bottle of water for you. Alright, tomorrow I buy a bigger bottle. See people, somebody just call him name, I never know him. He's a man that will live here for years with him. You understand?
Yeah.
He's a man just call him. So I don't know a Patrick name.
Huh?
A Patrick name?
Yeah.
After over the years, I know you're a cripple, I know yours. I first hear a man call you by your right name. Anyway, look in your box at my cut. Because I cut left here till tomorrow. I want to pull it for you? Man, pork fat! So tomorrow, I make sure you're not hiding, man. I told you, I come in there, you know. I bring a shrimp food for you.
Boy, I hide, man.
I'll shrimp me carry for your Sunday for your dinner. Eh? And you hide me out. And the man send me down the road for you. Yeah, the rain. Alright. Tomorrow. Alright. Cripple fat pork lunch the people. Oh, you want me to take out the fast for you? You want the bag? Alright. So big up tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
Boy, Cripple is really thirsty people. Give the man the food. I force me to say and the time hot for tune, I look rain and farm at the time. Hot! So I will give the man the food, right? First thing the man full of the water and 20 time head. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by my bigger bottle of water. So I don't want to buy time, can't angle it, you know. But I'm going to start by my bigger bottle of water. Whereas when the rain fall like this, yeah. As a matter of fact, to serve him because I'm there, so actually hard. From him come out in the morning, him there so right due till night, it seems to be. So I'm buy my bigger bottle of water. Some people, I just want to run over to Life is a Mission TV. You understand? On YouTube and support the channel. Just like, share and subscribe to the channel and watch the ads. And the ads wanna watch, make me can able to do this. You understand? Go around and give to the needy, not the greedy. Needy. And at the same time, if anybody out there see anything where they want to reach out, like how me assist him now for 1 month. If you're out there and you feel the need, say you want to reach out, you know, and extend the month, you can reach out, man. You can just link me by 876-221-9789, or you can, my cash app is 876, no, not 876, my cash app is $ Charms and Trends. You understand? And if you have Zelle and you want to reach out, just call upon the number and we'll take it from there. Alright? Bless upon yourself. We'll give to the needy, we'll not give to greedy. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, people. So Cripple, I mean, if I come, him just come around, move him, I go move and show him see me. I go where? I go where? Did I go where?
No.
Ah, think I go where? Did I go where? So I see how you drink off the buckler, little small buckler of water over there. So here what I do now. I make sure I buy a big buckle now. So that will serve you till you're ready to go down, right? Alright. What your juice? And today you get baked chicken in the Friday for your lunch. Alright. So pull your food and make them see what I go on. Make them see on a joke thing and on a play thing. Baked chicken for your lunch. Yeah. Pull it from there, so yeah. And open me your box now and make them see what I go on. Bust your box, make them see what. Cripple with them nice baked chicken. Yeah, in the Friday, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I can pull your fork tomorrow, you know. So tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. So my people, that is it. On a boat nor ship nor yacht is it. That is it. Go subscribe to Life is a Mission TV on YouTube. You understand? Yeah, man. That's how I can reach out to the needy and not the greedy. And when you go over there, you will see all the more things are going. And I just, you know, one little box of food we donate to people. We donate fridge to school. We donate groceries to many people. Alright? Yeah, man. And all heap of cook vlog and, you know, social commentary and everything over there. So go subscribe to Life is a Mission TV on YouTube. And remember, hit the follow button right over here, so. Right? TikTok, what's say? Why is $100 for the thing I charge me to?
You're rich, brother. You're rich.
Yeah.
You're rich. And you know, say you're not.
So you overcharge me?
No. I'm charging according to all
KCC. See, that's KCC.
All
The sidewalk in there on KCC.
All the while me give my money to do
And not even the pity them. Big Christmas, not even an igloo of water I put out. And say, boy, I keep a little treat to them, a little bread and butter. Nothing I do for the picnic them.
All the while we give money to look up and busy. You rob me. So
What business? What business? Tell the public what business. No, the public don't want to know what business.
The public, this is how it me.
No, man, you give me coke for go sell?
Coke?
Yeah.
That mean you're involved in that one.
So what kind of business?
Legal business.
So legal business, you don't have to pay a legal fee. But you don't have to pay a legal fee.
You said you don't charge.
Me don't do what?
Charge.
Where you go and get that?
Charity. Charity.
Me look like charity mark for me.
Boss,
Me look like volunteer service mark for me.
Volunteer service.
Me look like volunteer service mark for me.
I saw you tell me.
People, them own that cafe here. And I be overcharge people. Him never like give change. And the people them come and say them short of $5 and them want an extra minute on the computer, him nah give them. They have to go for the money. In love money, people. See that Winnie Pooh right by Olympic way. Yo, you have some girl on road, the hottest thing them on road. When I say the hottest thing them on road, the hottest thing them on road. Them that every party, 7 nights a week. And guess what? You see, you see them out on road and they're hot. Not even Scotch panning pepper, not like them. Not even Walker's Wood jerk pepper, not like them. Let me tell you what. You see them girl there? Enough of them don't know the price of your bed. Unless somebody tell them or them window shopping. When me just said to you a while ago, some of the hottest set of girl them out the road want to see a night time 7 days a week. Out a dance and party. Enough for them have to wait till morning light. That's why when they dance them lock off before time, police come lock them off. They have to cuss police because they want to dance go till daylight. Because at them times them get to sleep on somebody's bed when them gone to work. Them don't know the price of your bed. Unless somebody tell them or them go window shop. Check it out, man. Check it. People, you see in a life, you see when you start being successful in a life, people no matter which party you come from. People no matter the sufferation where you go through, the struggles, them no matter. Them no business how you achieve your success. Them only want to see you get successful in a life. And you know the first set of people start grudge and bad mind you and start hate you are your friends and family. What me say? The first set of people start bad mind you with your success are your friends and family. And remember, they were the one closest to you. who know your struggles, where you did I go through, who know where you are coming from to reach where you reach at the time. It no matter which part or what level of success you gain success, because what? You are past the stage of where you were. You couldn't find pound of rice, now you can find a bag of rice. You couldn't find a sardine, now you can find 10 pound of pork, 10 pound of oxtail. And the same people them where you and them are come from a certain level start bad mind you. All because what? Them feel like I should have did them. Yeah man. In the back of them mind, I should have did me. I should have did me. Them first one rise. You understand? Them now look point and say, boy, you can rise and probably help them to rise. If I even for motivate them. If you not help them financially or physically, you know, you help them by motivating them to make them say, boy, watch ya. The whole of we are come from the same stage. You understand? And me rise. So Uno can rise too. Yeah man. Just remember, your family and friends are the first set of people them start hate you and grudge you for your success. Government. Come here. You and your agency again. And you said me come out here come talk. Me no want a boy or a girl to support either party. Come in my comment section, come play politics. Me a talk about any given government where run the country at the time, because it is the same thing, no difference. Me want to know why enter on the send on the agencies or give the contracts to these people to fix the roads. The one patrol affair fix every 6 months. The one patrol affair fix every 6 months. You fix the patrol now. I go and drive and show on the 2 patrol right there, so. Make a switch the camera. The camera switch. Stand there. Alright. It has show the on the dashboard to it stay at the hole and I drive, me I drive. But right there, so me there, I swing from patrol. And every 6 months the same patrol have to fix. Why? I don't have engineering, I don't have system, I don't have pay money. If there's a problem where you fix the patrol, and you notice every time you fix the patrol, the same patrol that they got back in 6 months. It's 2 things. It's either, as a matter of fact, like when PWD, where government have fixed the road, have them own agency have fixed the road. So these contractors must start all responsible. But guess what me now? You see the little business where I go on, people are get a cut here, so people are get a cut there, so. So all you have to turn around and say, yeah, go find the contractor when you get your cut out of it. Because basically, the contractor not doing a proper job. And it is obvious. There is many times I on the street seeing these guys fixing road. And when them a fix the road, them sell the man that's with them business place and the man that's with them yard. 3/4 of the material and put the next quarter upon the road. Remember, you know, when them come for fix, them go by measurement. But yet still when it a fix, 3/4 of the material, then take you and sell to man who want fix him gateway, want fix him yard or him driveway. And when you look on the layer asphalt when them put on the road, it's thinner than a razor. So you find say as it chip and water starts soaking underneath it, it reaches to the underground surface when not fully packed. And then everything just start dig up back. If them come here and they measure right here so, and them see a little crack, the man who measure the road and measure the crack in it, you know. But at the same time, he not measuring the crack into that hole. Into the street there so, side of that hole the way I fix. That no mean said material no there, they can be sure none of the exact material come at no given time. When him can't take little and put in the crack there so. But guess what? Him left the crack there so because 6 months time him want the crack there for open up bigger. Because if the crack there no open up bigger, him not have no work. You understand? And these are the things that we need to start deal with. We cannot be fixing one section of a certain road every 6 months. The same area broke out. Something wrong, man. Something anyway the money are cut up. This man can't hold that man responsible because I get a cut out of the money. And it need to stop. The next thing, we can't have so much major roads where people have to use with these whole heap of pothole plus them poorly lit. Come on, man. Government, as you don't want the money, as you don't find a hole in the bucket of the budget. Motorists are one of the first person who no choose to run come for full that hole. I don't know how to deal with this, sir. How the hell we fear pay for fitness and for drive on the road, but yet still the road not fit? We fear pay fitness because we car for fit, we vehicle for fit, but at the same time the road not fit. I hold long and take that, man. That is high class scamming. When you reach up Washington Boulevard and Mullines Road, turning left to go heading towards Duane Park. When you leave the stoplight at the intersection, you have to travel nearly 200 meters before you see a light on a major road like that. Not to mention, the lights that are there are so poorly where the focus of the light is concerned. The light them dull, it come like a candle, them turn down. Not even lamping a candle. And the road not surface in a just condition. Recently I see a video on TikTok where I'm gonna show you, I don't remember exactly where. The man a driver go about him business, but the man is so used to the pothole that the man turn on him camera cause it's like him know cause it's an everyday thing or every night thing. Because of the poor little road, the road surface how it stay, there's a big old pothole. There's a certain section of the road. And this wasn't a road where him could drive past the how much car where him say get knocked, whether them rim mash up them tire punch or them tire bus and turn back. So basically the man were aware of the happenings that happen on a daily basis or a nightly basis right at that section of the road. The man said, let me see how much tire mash up tonight now. And the man a drive. And the man count nearly 8 vehicles where them chung fly and some assistant are going on them tire. Right in line. On the same patrol they saw mash up the people them tire and them rim and whatsoever. All them things are stupidness on a major road like that. The road poorly lit and the condition of the road surface is not good. If the condition of the road surface is bad and you have the road properly lit, at least you could have see. But you can't see and the surface bad. Government! And when I say I don't want a boy and a girl on my comment, this is not about politics. This is about being a Jamaican and looking out for my interests. But they're not going to talk about other people's interests because once my interests solve in that condition, everybody want to go solve. But in general, we are talking about on the need for do something better, man. We're not dealing with motorists too bad.
People, you see in a life, nobody love a loser. You know the reason why nobody love a loser? From me I grow them say, nobody no follow a loser. You have to be a winner for people follow you. You know the reason why? People, 95% of the people them in a life where you have around you don't love you genuinely. Them love you for what you can give to them. You see, as soon as you don't have nothing to give to them, just watch and see. That love they gone. I remember now, a loser, him not have nothing to give nobody. But make you as a winner. So for instance, you're in the race shop and you gamble and you lose. When you go down the stairs, or I walk out of the shop without flat or upstairs, look if you see nobody I walk follow you. Anybody I walk follow you, or they behind you and you them a follow, I go them and go about their merry ways just like you. But make you be a winner. All when you reach in your toilet to your yard, man out of your gate stand up and wait for you. Because he is a winner. What that tell you say? What that tell you say? People only love you for what them can get from you. God bless the percentage of people who love people genuinely in our life. And let me tell you this. Don't be fooled when people come around and tell you so them love you. Just try them. Just have it one day and pretend like you don't have it. And look on the reaction of them face if them come check you for something and you don't give it to them. that will tell you where them they around you for. Check it out. You see in a life, you have some people, them want to say anything to you and do anything to you. And you see, because you don't take offense to it, you don't feel offended by what them say, by verbally responding and react to what them say and do, them feel like say it's okay with you. But you don't do that just because you're not thin skin, you don't react to what them do or what them say because you're not thin skin. And if you ever go so boom and say the simplest thing, far less than what them even say, and whether you even say something more than what them say, them act out of this world like you want to analyze them. But when them say things to you, it is okay for them to say. They feel pleased saying whatever they want to say and whatever they want to do to you. Why human beings stay so? It just coming like some man or people in general, them say them around muster which is joke, and a man that want to get up and run any joke with you. But because you don't react to what him do, because remember when a man around joke with you and you make him know say boy you know like that joke there, you know, it a go stick upon you, you know. And him a go text it upon you. So what you do, because you know that, you try to hold it and play it off like it's okay. You never hear what him say. And it's no problem for him. But make you ever see him back now and say, alright, you get at me what day, you know, but me just hold it, you know, but at my time now. And you get at him. Him all want war. You have to stop thin skin, man. You can't, watch it now. You call me a name. And you might say the name is not derogative, it not discriminate me or nothing. You don't know. You might look at me and say, hey boy, come here. I feel offended about it, but I don't make you know I feel offended about it. But within yourself, it's not derogative, it's not discriminating, but I feel a way about it. Oh, you call me, oh, you style me, but I just hold it. But me see you back now, and I say, hey girl, come here. You have a big problem with that. You never cut out on the selfishness, man, and on the thin skinness. That's why some people never talk to them. Worse when time I know them a green lizard, this minute they might in a shell where you can say, okay, I, and the next minute you can't say I, because the same I where you say when them okay, when you say it when them not okay, it's like, I tell them about their mother. You have to stop the thin skin, man. People, did you know that people will love to carry fake news is an inborn concept? And you know say Jamaican love carry fake news. Yeah, man. Jamaican love carry fake news. And not just now, a long time, years. And I'm going to tell you why Jamaican love carry fake news. I'm going to the reason. Fake news carrying is not since social media get popular and everybody can have a cell phone and jump on social media. Fake news is a long time thing. And now that you have social media, it's even more widespread. Let me go into the reason why. You see news are something we sell, we know that, don't it? Alright. Whether it's real or it's fake. Because when you carry the news, me say something you don't find out from me if I saw it go true or you know, do not checks or nothing. Or do not research about what me say. You just run it and you tell Aria, you tell Tom, you tell John. And it just spread all over. That's why fake news sell. When you think enter in the media, the print media or do any farmer newspaper on the headline always catching. Cow jump over moon down a riverton. You want to know how cow jump over moon now, you run like star and you go look read it. You don't see nothing where cow jump over moon because guess what? It's a man named Cow and a man named Moon. When you go look for the animal and the moon in the sky. But let me tell you the reason why. Me always want to be the one to carry the news first. That's why fake news go around. So me hear something, me run go tell Ari and me go tell John. Because watch your reaction when you want from Ari and John. When I say to Ari, say boy, you know say the truck just black up Olympic way and turn over. See Ari, that's the reaction when you want from Ari. You think you want to hear Ari say, yeah, me hear man, me did out there a while ago. You don't want to hear that. Because it don't look like you eat the jackpot when you do that. What you want to hear is Ari for surprise. The reaction of Ari is a surprise reaction. So within yourself, you first carry the news. And that's why Jamaica love fake news. So. Yeah, man, that's why Jamaican love fake news, so, because they want to be the first one to carry the news. Think about it. Every time you carry a news, go give a man and him ear for the first time, if something where him know, alright, so for instance, if somebody pass off, and you go say, boy, you know, sir, ex-wife just drop out, or you go say, alright, I you see the man. That's how you bingo. But when you go and you say, Harry just drop out, the man say, yeah, boy, from last night, me here, or from this morning, me here. You don't feel pleased with that because of that you want here. Check it out.
People, I'm here to show you people just like a sneak preview of the condition of the road that we have to be driving on. Look right here, so. Every slow, me slow down. See it? Watch it. Look in front of me. And you don't see nothing yet. This is Olympic way. And the stoplight is ahead of us, look. I say as soon as I go through that stoplight, right in front of the police station, across, go straight up to Seaward Drive. I might not reach way up to Seaward Drive. It's a disgrace. These people are going to tell you that them can't fix road in a rain. But why you wait till when rain fall? Just look in front of me, some people. When 10 vehicles go through the light, it's only 2 go through. What that cost? Especially peak hours morning. Watch it. Watch it. Peak, watch it. Look at all the manual there. If you look right in front of me, watch it. This is right in front of the station. And look on the condition. You see? I won't open now see. Can we make sure zoom in the camera phone and see? Look on the movements of how traffic can move or overtake. Every lane, the road becomes 1 lane. It's a 2-lane road. Watch it. Look, just look in front of me. Where you see that blue drum is a manual there right there. So see it there? The road block actually come across the road. You see it? Everybody have to come from my side. 1 lane. And this is not the only intersection or section of the road that stays so we turn in a 1 lane. Cause the road broke. Watch it. Watch it. This is not manual, this is not patrol. You understand? This is Tony, Trevor, Sharon, Patsy, everybody whole. Watch it. Watch it. Poor condition go right back to Seaward Drive. And then now them want to come see and take your plate off of your car front end and tire. 1 month and other go them come and them start dig out with the jackhammer. Look on the patrol right there, so. See it right in front of me, watch it. Watch it. Look there, watch it. If you come at night and I know say that there is you're dropping at that, you can crash and kill off yourself. Mash up the whole of your vehicle. And you have to pay tax. You have to pay fitness fee. If you drive on what kind of road. Eh? Later on when I have some more time, I go and stop and show you how deep this road, this patrol is. Later on in the night, when I have to pass back here, so about 10 a.m. we go to the boulevard. I go and show you. Look this up. Look there. Look there. Poor condition. Everywhere where you have a manual, the road broke, cross with the manual and destroy the manual cover and everything because the underground part of the manual, the under surface of the manual, the cover up and the whole of this broke away. Them have to put jump and all kind of sitting on the road. You say you can't fix road in the rainy time. Why not fix the road before the rainy time? Because if you fix the road good before the rainy time, it won't mash up what you know. But because them know so them not gonna fix the road. Them not gonna fix the road good before the rainy time. So them not want to fix it before the rainy time and a little thin layer of asphalt where them are gonna put on it. End up crack and wash off back and it look bad. Worst stack up in at the Christmas. So them want to do it after the rainy time. Them always choose rainy time for talk about them want to fix road. But later on we see the worst condition of the road, you know, when we ever see them a road, you know. Because by later I will get an opportunity when less traffic up on the road, when we can slow down and stop and video them and show them. It's gonna be night, but you know we see it.
See what I'm showing the people? See it? See them there? Crater them, see them? Yeah, crater me have to go through. Yeah man. Look again, 1 month ago them start digging out process. Look, see the people? Look, you see how deep it is?
From them dig it out, not even mall no going at it. 1 month ago. And the day them dig it out, rain did start falling, and so them stop all. Now them no move along. Olympic way. Leading straight to Seaward Drive. I will be showing you some more. Alright? Alright. Alright my people, me approach Seaward Drive now. Watch it. 2 little vehicles in front of me. Look on the condition. Look there. Look there. When I look in, look on the condition. 2 little vehicles, them have to take a year to go through. See there? See there? See the condition? See it? See it? Straight across the road. You have to take the sidewalk. See them there? See them there, people? Look there. It's a crater. You have to go on the opposite side of the road. Opposite side of the road. This is how we have to drive. But after constantly driving on the opposite side of the road where we are driving. Watch it. Be a crater. Watch it. See it? Vehicle just a drop down in a crater. So some of them you can't escape. Watch it. Watch it. Some of them you can't escape. Some you can't. So you see when I show you, and yet still government have examined out here take off people plate with these condition of roads. Can you imagine? One night I do a video, and just after I do the video, I lick a pothole. I go and see if I see the pothole. Right as you come across the bridge, right at Mullines Road, there's a coming from Boulevard. I lick a pothole. I beg God my rim never broke. Because the last time I carry my daughter to the airport, I see when I lick a rim, a tire, and bash me. Watch the big old hole. See that? I see him, so I lick a tire and broke my rim. Cost me over 14,000 to fix and straighten my rim. From Marcus Garvey Drive, heading on to Harbour Street. May I tell you people, this condition of the road is foolishness of people drive on. Where you have your license, car insure, car buy front end, so expensive. You understand what I say to you? And then, to make matters worse, them have examiner out there, take off your plate. When you can rock your steerings, then see you have 2 bad tire. Foolishness. It for stop. Look how much crater I'm showing you. I'm going to show you 2 more before I end the video. Craters, you see it? Craters. See it? Seaward Drive. All craters. See it? Yeah. See them there? All craters. So car boom up and camera shape. Yeah man. This is what it is. Look again. Turn on Olympic way now. Look at this big crater right here. Everything about to come straight across the road. Look. See it? Look at it. See it? From the man gateway, I come right into the road. And that's how it goes, straight along Olympic Way. Straight along to Olympic Yard police station. And even extended to the 3 mile along the Olympic Way corridor. Yes man, we're tired of this now. The Prime Minister was just over there today. Over the Chinese school. Yeah, on Olympic Way. So he must see them. So I go and see what going to happen. See them there? Then come dig them out. See them there? You see them there, no people? See them. Look. Look ahead. Watch it. You have to go switch now or force them on. You see there? The drum in the way. See it? Craters. Craters. See them? Yeah man. See them there? Right along. Right along. See the station there? See it? Look on the big stone them have to pack in of them. See them? Yeah man. Just look you know. You know, look along the roadway. This is what motorists are suffer. See it? Look there. Pools of water like swimming pool. See it? Yeah. Just look you know. Look ahead. See them there? See them there? See them there? See them there people? See there? Yeah, pools of waters. Right from the station. See it there? Watch it. Look, see it? Yeah man. And then them have examiner a dig off motorist plate. This is unfair. You have to pay for fitness for your car but the road not fit. Stupidness. Sort out the thing them. Why wanna girls so teeth? Why wanna always make yourself look small? Every time a man invite you to them yard, you choose to carry handbag because you don't know you have no motive. I want to know what your motive is. When you not teeth the man them t-shirt, You not thief the man them cologne. Some wanna go as far as a thief the man them use toilet paper out of them toilet. Come on, man. Use toilet paper. When you come in the bag when you have nothing in it, but when you not go to the bag fat up so. Man pulling you over and say, yo, why you have in your bag? You thief the man cologne, you thief the man t-shirt, you thief all the man toothpaste we might use already. You know for do better than that, you know. But here what now, what's something on the broken, you know? Because no phone you got hotel go thief all hotel towel and hotel toothpaste, hotel toilet paper. So something on the broken now. But you never stop that. And you say, all around man, let me tell you something. When woman come on the yard, tell them to leave handbag and purse out the road. Now make no man come in your yard, no handbag and purse. Leave that a road, leave that to your yard. And a grocery shop here come. And a wholesale and market here come. Leave your handbag and purse at your yard. Because when you come here, my yard with your handbag and your purse, you're liable if you want to teach something. If you don't mind to call me toilet paper, you want stuff in your purse. That's why your purse big.